In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add repository in Bitbucket. First, head to the Bitbucket login page. If you see multiple sign-in options, choose the Google Sign-In button. This uses your existing Google account and is often the quickest way in. When the Google account chooser appears, select the account you use for your Bitbucket workspace. If your organization manages access, make sure you pick the account tied to your company workspace to avoid permission issues. Once you're signed in and on your workspace overview, look for the Create Repository option. Depending on your screen size or Bitbucket's current layout, this may be a visible button or tucked under a Create or plus icon in the top navigation. Click it to open the new repository form. Start by entering a project name. In Bitbucket, a project is a container that helps group related repositories together. Think of it as a folder for a product, client, or team. Choose a project that already exists in your workspace or create a clear descriptive name so your repositories stay organized. Next, type the repository name. This is the specific repo you're adding, so keep it concise and meaningful. Use lowercase and hyphens or underscores if your team prefers a naming convention. Consistency makes searching and automation much easier down the line. Set the access level. Private means only people you explicitly invite can see the repository, which is the safest default for most teams. Public makes it discoverable by anyone. If you're unsure, go with private and change it later once you've confirmed your organization's policy. Choose the default branch name. Many teams use main, while some legacy workflows still use master. Match whatever your team and CI pipelines expect. Aligning this now can save you from having to reconfigure branch protections or automation later. Open advanced settings to fine-tune details. Add a clear description that explains the purpose of the repository and any key technologies or goals. This helps collaborators quickly understand context. While you're here, review any available options relevant to your workflow, such as initialization preferences or repository features your team commonly uses. When everything looks good, click Create Repository. Bitbucket will set it up and take you to the new repository's overview page. From here, you'll see instructions tailored to your setup for connecting from Git, pushing your first commit, or inviting teammates. That's it, you've added a repository in Bitbucket with the right structure and settings. If you found this helpful, keep these naming and access tips handy, and you'll keep your workspace clean, secure, and easy to navigate.